Hey friends, if you wish to fix Agent Activation Runtime 15831 high CPU memory usage in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, and then you can scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it and select restart. I won't click on it, otherwise it will impact the video. You have to click on restart. The next solution is to reinstall the audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio drivers. Right click and update. Right click and update all of them. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.